Good morning, everybody. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal. And today I'm going to do a little point of view action on the Vanderhall. So we're going to take it out for a spin today because it's beautiful outside. And I'm going to throw the GoPro on the hat and do a little point of view. Just a quick video just to show you kind of what it's like to drive the Vanderhall around on some back roads. Hopefully there's not a lot of people out. So let's get right into it.
You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change. Keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. Why stay the same? You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights, lights. Yeah, 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 yeah. From my eyes, would've thought was LSD, can't lose my mind like Kennedy. You see us cooking recipes, you hit the top, all you left with is the memories. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, go hard to have it is your purpose. We had some faith, then who gon' hurt this? I naughty night, you lullaby. I'm doing me, it's do or die. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change. Keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. Why stay the same? You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights, lights.
That's it. We're back at home after a good drive. I drove around for about probably like 2 hours at least, just driving around. I just like to get on roads and just, I don't know, see where they go. If I get lost a little bit, throw the phone on and get some GPS going, find my way back. The Vanderhall does such a good job, and it gets so many looks. I had a guy pull up next to me in a Cobra, a Mustang Cobra convertible. He pulled up and was just like, man, that's a nice ride. It looks real fun. I'm like, yeah, it is. So his $50,000-$60,000 whatever Cobra that he has, Mustang Cobra, looks like a normal car compared to this. And these things are 30 grand. I actually start around 25 for a blackjack model now. So, I think they're probably just as fun. It's probably faster than his Cobra. Definitely turns more heads. Maybe not as practical as he could put a top up on his. But yeah, I mean, it's definitely fun and turns a lot of heads. Just sitting at that stoplight next to that guy, I actually had two other people honk at me. Of course, all of this while the camera wasn't rolling because it was in the middle of town. And I didn't feel like anybody was going to want to see point of view of me driving around Rockwall, Texas. So it was right before I actually got on the back roads and started filming. So I didn't get any of it, but I'm telling you, everywhere I go, people stop. They roll their windows down. They ask me what this thing is, if I built it myself, and then just general, thumbs up. Like I say, people honking at me. Why wouldn't it? This thing is unlike anything people have ever seen out on the road, because there's not that many of these out there. Again, a lot of people think it's just a slingshot with a body kit or something. Nah, it's just part of owning this. That's the only thing they've seen that's anything like this. So, yeah. Anyways, that's going to be it for today, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change.